pretzel roll burgers with pub cheese. So we're gonna start by warming our rolls in the oven. And I literally have the oven just on warm. We want them soft. So you can go straight up, just mustard, pickles, onions, lettuce, pub cheese of choice, and meat. We're gonna cook the burgers smash style, where you just kind of mush them. The most important thing for that is this. Good old cheap and cheerful metal hamburger flipper. Now, when we make a smash burger, I think 6 ounces is a great portion. You want a conical feature, so of course you can smash them. Now, when I make a smash burger, I dress them with Worcestershire, little dabble-do-ya over each conical mound, and I season them before we're gonna get them in the pan, just a couple minutes before, with a little kosher salt and black pepper. I'm preheating a cast iron skillet. We're gonna cook these a la plancha on a flat griddle, not an outdoor grill. We wanna get as much contact for smash burgers. Obviously, you can't cook them on an outdoor grill. They fall right through, duh. While we're waiting for the meat to take the chill off and the pan to get nice and hot over medium heat, then we'll crank it, we're going to make our special sauce. I'm gonna combine first the sour cream, which I seasoned with salt and pepper, with an almost equal amount of Dijon mustard. Then I'm going to add 1 clove of grated or pasted garlic. We've got a good 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup of chopped herbs here. It's almost a 1-to-1 to the dressing. Look at that. So much flavor in this ranch spread. Once we're ready to add the meat to the pan, again, we're starting on medium, not high heat. And you want to give a little distance for these guys because you're going to smash them. Then you turn up the heat to high. You get your utensil. And smash away. All right, see the crust we have on these? That's what we're looking for, kids. So here's how she goes. Special sauce. This is our Dijon sour cream garlic ranch on the bottom and the top of our pretzel bun. Then white chopped onion, sliced pickles. Remember, we want every bite of a sandwich to be exactly the same. So try and get the pickles evenly distributed all the way across the roll. Pack in your chopped iceberg lettuce. Then you're gonna top with your smash burger. And then you top your smash burger with your pub cheese of choice, jalapeno pub cheese. Ta-da!